So this is a thread spool holder, but more importantly, let me show you guys the problems that it helped me solve. So this is the size thread that we use on our single needle embroidery machine. But what if you want to use, But what if you want to use this size? Let me show you guys an example. With our regular comb, we would just put it on here like normal and begin to thread our machine like how you usually would. But with this comb, it's almost impossible to thread this. Well, it is impossible to thread this. It's just not going to work. So let's talk prices. This right here is 1,000 yards of thread for $3. This one right here is 5,000 yards of thread for $9. So for us to get this amount of thread with this spool, we would have to buy 5 of these, and that will come up to $15. $15 and $9. That's an extra $6 you would have to pay just to get this size. Bruh. So you already see what will be the better bang for your buck. Of course, it will be this one. So that's problem number 1. Let's move on to problem number 2. Alright, so you'll just say, I can just put my giant cone of thread on the side of my machine like I normally would and then thread it. Yeah, you can, but this just builds up so much room for unwanted needle breaks, unwanted tension issues. So like I'm going to thread it like how you would by keeping it on the side. Now you see that our thread is like super tight and it's just waiting just to fall over. This is just so many unwanted problems that you don't need to have. So that's why I use this thread spool holder, and I'm just going to show you guys how it works and how much easier it is for the thread to just flow through. So you just put your cone on there and then you just put your thread through the loop. So the thread is constantly going around on the cone and just pulling straight through here. It's no tension, it's not super tight, it's not super loose, and you'll just thread your machine like you usually and normally would. And it's moving smooth and going along. So I know it may seem like a simple fix, but a couple of you guys was asking me what was it and what was I using it for. So I figured I'll just make a video and showing you guys. And plus, I wish somebody would have showed me this when I first got my embroidery machine. I had so many tension problems and I was just wasting so much money on the same color cones. I just wish somebody would have showed me. So this is me showing you guys.